Hello everyone, today we are talking about this sponsor product. This is really nice, extremely comfortable patio furniture. I really love the design of the chair. They are close to the ground and provides lots of comfort. The cushion came with is waterproof. It's been raining crazy out there here, and the next time we come and we sit, you don't get that surprise wet on your clothes. So that works really well, and it has a really nice table as well. Works really well. We put coffee, we have some snacks, and the best part, you can remove the glass on top, and it has some pieces that it holds the glass in spots, so you can easily uh, close this. Here you have some holding system. Once you open this, you can easily close it and just store it as this. So it works really well. I really like this table, and you can do the same thing with the chairs. You can close it and store it. So let me just show you guys. I'll fix that later. So here you can just close this. You see there are some latches here. It holds in place. You would just push this down, and same thing on the other side, and then you can close it. Let me see if I can do with one hand. So you would just pull this way, and you can see once you close it, it became like this, and you can store it in any place you would, and it works really well. Even if you put it this way, you can sit it and be more close to the ground, so that works really well. And I really like this set. It provides lots of comfort. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching.